What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. For those who know me and those who don't know me, my name is Brittany and I'm back with another video.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understand.
So guys, in today's video, this is gonna be like a little vlog of multiple days. So yeah, so for right now, I am going over to one of my friends. That's Mauli. So it's a Friday evening, and I'm like, what am I gonna do? So I'm not really a type to go out much. So I'm like, okay. Mauli's wife just got here, and I'm like, well, she got here like Sunday. Yeah, she got here Sunday. And I mean, I've seen her, I met her. You guys can, if you guys watch my previous vlog, you'd have seen that. So I'm like, I'm just gonna chill out with them this afternoon. It's like 5 o'clock, and I'm gonna head over there right now to pester them. Of course, I called ahead of time, so, and they said yes, I can come bother them. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, after that, I might be decorating my Christmas tree, like put up the tree and everything. I mean, I'm late to that. It's like December 15th, and girl just put a Christmas tree and something. I understand. Yes, me know. But yeah, so that's what gonna happen, and then we'll see what else happen along the way. I don't really have much planning for the vlog. I'm just giving you guys something. Yeah. So that's just how my life is sometimes too. I don't really do much planning. Just kind of go with the wind. Wherever the wind blows, die go. Yeah. All right. So the bus is coming in 5 minutes. So I am going to put on some proper socks and get going, cause it's like +2 outside, so you know that cool. But I'm gonna wear slippers as well. So gotta wear proper socks if I'm gonna wear slippers. Yeah. All right. So I'll see you guys in just a bit. All right. Okay. All right. See you guys. It is Saturday night, and tonight I have my niece with me, so I'll be babysitting for the night, and I thought I'd just show you guys a bit of the insight to that. So so right now she is on the dining table because she's waiting for something to eat. She just had her sausage, but now she's waiting for some soup. So I'm just waiting for it to finish cook while I heat up something else for myself. And I'm also cooking some pasta just to add on to my food. But she said she wants noodles, so that's what she's getting. So there she is, guys, just having her soup. How is it? Is it good? Yeah? Okay. Me on the other hand, I'm doing some tuna pasta. Yeah, that's what I'm doing for myself. I haven't really ate much simply because I'm not feeling so good, and so I woke up at probably like 1 o'clock, and my throat was kind of hurting and my nose was stuffy, so took some meds and then did some cleaning and stuff, because even though I'm sick, I don't really like to be on bed rest. Like, I mean, I like that. So I had stuff to do, so I did what I had to do, and now I'm finally eating from morning. First thing I got in my mouth. So for the blood on here, you know. Watch him. Over there, blood on here, you know, because it's something hot. Why? Oh dear. But yeah, so I'm gonna look about what I eat, and then go ahead and eat that. Probably watch a movie after. I forgot look something on my laptop for her to watch, because usually she brings her own tablet, but she left her iPad. So she's without a device, so I'm gonna give her my laptop so she can watch stuff on it and I watch something on the TV. Even though I could probably like give her this like let her use a TV that's out here in the living room. But the thing with that is that I don't really want her to be in the living room and I'm in my room, or her in the room, I'm in the living room. I'd rather her be where I am at. So I'll give her the laptop with some earphones and so she watched that and I watch the TV and we're both in the same place so I can watch her, because I'm sure it's sneaky, you know. I'm sure it's sneaky. I mean, I should like not saying that she go destroy anything. No, she's never done that at my house before. But just tidy up the place, guys. And if you don't know kids, when them play sometimes them make it look messy, and me not into that. So me just make sure sit down and do it, cause I'm gonna lift up right when I should get distracted. I'm just kind of on watch her, cause I the lady one put me up here, and why me now want the people them put me so, and so yeah, me I gotta just make sure you be there with me. I ended up not really eating much of the pasta because my stomach just feel weird and I started to feel like I wanted to, you know, throw up. So I just let go that. So watch your no, stop, you know, I follow by me, you know. If you jump under me, company bed. But yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna have a yogurt because it's a lot less, it's not solid food, and at this point I'm gonna feel like me fit chew and swallow and it just feel like it will come back up. So I'm just take the yogurt because from morning I've been drinking water and water was fine, so the yogurt should be fine too, right? Because it's not really solid food, right? Morning, guys. Don't watch my voice, so still sick, and basically I just wake up. And my niece would just woke up. It's like a little bit after 9 right now, Sunday morning. So I'm gonna prepare breakfast, so she can get something to eat, and I'm gonna try to eat because yesterday I basically barely had anything to eat. So I'm gonna try to get something to eat too. Hopefully, you know, it's not feel upset. Like I was talking to my father saying to me like, because I think I have the flu, and my father saying to me, "You don't even know me, we never have flu yet." Just for sure, the guys like, "Nah, sick man, mistake from them something here." But so I'm taking echinacea, some zinc, some Pro Immunix, and some vitamin C. My dad also let me know that I should take some vitamin D3 and some B12. But if you said the D3, I should take it in the form of a drink, like the one they put in the water. So like kind of like the vitamin C, because it's put in water. So to get the D3, they put in water too. So I'm gonna try to get that today. Yes, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna look about breakfast and finish my laundry because I started laundry yesterday, but I didn't finish because I did the dark color clothes and red. Because with me, I don't wash red with Marissa clothes then because I don't know. I just am always stay. Like I feel like red is such a color that when you're ready sometimes you probably run. I'm not to run panda my clothes them, so wash dark colored clothes, then wash red, then wash light color clothes, and then wash white. So today I have light color clothes and white to wash. So I'm gonna be doing that in just a bit, just right after I finish making breakfast. So yeah, guys. So I'm gonna see what she wants to eat and try to prepare it for her. So Feels like rusty or crusty man at the morning, yeah. Then I'm gonna have a shower and kind of get ready for the day. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. So we are here. She's excited as we start across the road. She start going towards the park. I got my hand. What gonna lift me? So she excited. She put on her bag. She gone, you know. Yes, guys. Honestly, I feel like getting out of the house is a good idea because, like, I actually don't feel that bad. Yeah? Okay. So, actually not that bad. Hold on. Hold on to these two sides. Hold on. Hold on here. Sit. So yes, guys, and I did ensure that she dressed warm. So she's in her just this joggers, this sweater, and underneath her joggers she have on tights, and she has her winter jacket over her. So she is warm. In fact, she's warmer than I am. Cause let me show you now my outfit. This is what girl wear. I'm bad to wearing that, me know, but you know, it is what it is. So, ooh, look on girl in the sun, like what cheer? Are you driving? So guys, we'll be spending like another 45 minutes here at the park. She's having fun. Yeah? Huh? It's frozen, it can't spin. It's broken. So we're gonna just spend a little more 45 minutes because the bus coming 45 minutes. Luckily the bus stop is right there. Hold on. Did I find the right way? I see it there. So the bus stop is right there. What happened? Just drama queen. Such a drama queen. But yeah, so we're going back, and honestly this is one of my worst ideas because it's cool out here. No, she not find it cool, but me find it very cool. Like me think of them above me. Like the rest of my body is fine, but my fingers it cool for me. Kids, I tell you. She's having ice cream. Such a Canadian thing. It's the most Canadian thing right now. Having ice cream out in the snow. Crazy. She decided she wanted some ice cream. Luckily I brought some, and I bought some other snacks for her that she could have, and so she's having her ice cream now. And so yeah. So guys, we are now back home and she's having some more ice cream, which she didn't finish all of what she had. She decided to bring home the rest, and we got cold, so we just came home before the box even came. So we were home. Did you enjoy the park? Journey? Did you enjoy the playground? Yeah, she had fun, guys. And now she's happy with her ice cream. Do you want sprinkles? Yeah? Okay. I'm gonna give her some sprinkles, y'all. And then we will get some stuff done. I need to be a little bit more, we call it productive. So I'm gonna get stuff done. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I must say that I think the meds kind of worked for the little 2 hours. So it is exactly 2 hours.
And after 2 hours, I'm gonna start stuffing up again. And I start feel some type of way. Like I start cough, my chest start hurt me again. 2 hours, exactly 2 hours. So I'm gonna take it again. And I guess I'm gonna be taking it every 2 hours. So 4 more times every 2 hours. And then tomorrow again. I thought if you're not done, because the last time I was this sick and I bought some cough syrup, guys, I felt like a druggie because so I had a cough syrup I think it was either the Saturday night or the Friday night, and it finished the next day. Like, and I was like, the heck? I'm pretty sure I only take like a couple doses something. Like I'm gonna insert the video. I'm gonna insert the clip. I don't remember exactly how it go, but I'm gonna insert it, and the guys say like it done within either 1 or 2 days. And I hope I'm gonna do this again, guys. That doesn't make me feel like I look a druggie. But anyways, guys, I'm going to. I wonder if I start branding and no, I'm not gonna start branding and no, cause I'm not gonna know. But I'm gonna do some editing and some other stuff. We need to write up my grocery list and my budget for next month. Like a lot of stuff. Like I've been like planning out my life basically, and my budget plan did only last until December, and so now the new year is coming up. I need to make another budget plan for that month, another meal plan, because my meal plan finishes, the meal plan that I wrote up finishes December 23rd. So I need to write up another one for, I think I do it like, yeah, so write up another meal plan for the month coming up. For January, write up my grocery list and my budget and my plans, what I haven't accomplished yet and what I still need to work on. All of them something there, like I need to do all that. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna see you guys. Hi guys. So today is Light and Turbo Man. Should we blue light over this? So today is what do you call it? Monday. I didn't go to work today simply because I wasn't feeling so great last night and I couldn't breathe. I was having this throaty cough, like my chest would hurt when I cough. I had a fever and all them something there. It's now 12 p.m. I just basically got up an hour ago and I start to feel a little better now. I mean, every time I cough now I still have that throaty, like that chest pain and thing. My fever is down, but so today though I'm gonna go pick up my Christmas tree. Well, it's not my Christmas tree, but I'm gonna pick up a Christmas tree, and my sister's coming over. Hey guys, we're going. My sister is outside and we're in guys, for sure now, like the place kind of cold but I feel warm, and so I took off my jacket and but I kind of feel hot. Face look some man. Face look. Oh sh. It's nothing I can't last. Wait. So we're gonna wait out here for her mom to get here. Go on like her. Go on in. Now I wear the wrong. So everything in my house right now is kind of like a mess. Well, because I'm putting out a Christmas tree and it's like so messy. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. Like, look at the ground, y'all. It's like so messy. And then I have this bag of like decor stuff And like, it's like, but this is it so far. That's where I'm at right now. My sister, she was here earlier, helping me to just put the tree together. Because I didn't say this is my first time putting up a Christmas tree. And so she was here helping me to put the tree together and then put the lights on, and then she went off to work. And now I'm just doing the decor. Something there. And I mean, it's kind of looking okay so far. That white something there kind of bugged me because like it just seems so out of place right now. But like I find out if you get how to make it work. So yeah, but this is it. Guys, I finished decorating my tree. I think you guys will see it in the background. I'm gonna show you guys in just a bit. But I'm gonna have something to eat right now. From morning I've only had breakfast. But I'm just reheating some little overnight food from last night. And yeah, I did a little grocery shopping. Not anything big. I didn't do like anything big. I just did a little bit because I'm like, it was like I wanted to catch the bus that was coming back home, and it was like the last one, and I didn't want to walk. I mean, I could walk, but who wants to walk with groceries in their hand? Not me. So I did half of my grocery shopping, and then I'll do the rest probably at the end of the week. Yeah, because I really like to see my house like stocked. Like I like when everything is stocked up and I can feel comfortable in my home. Because when I do that, when I do that, I know that I'm not like, I don't have to like eat out and order something there. So I like my place is stocked with food that I'm comfortable with and everything that I need. So yeah. But so I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna prepare for school tomorrow because I do work tomorrow. So there is that, and here is my tree. So there it is, guys. There it is. So this star right here, guys, it's a makeshift star. Like, I mean, make it it was a star, but it didn't have light. So and you see them gold file something here. Yes, it's a light. Me just wrap around it and call it a day. And that is all. That's all. That's all. Because guess what? I don't really want to spend no money, you know. And so, yeah. That is that. So yeah, guys. Never really want to spend no money on the tree. So me just use what I already use and me get. Call it a day. And so yeah, that is that. And anyways, I'm gonna eat now because I'm really hungry. And I probably watch a movie because see the food I don't heat up. My coworker recommended this couple movies for me to watch because only thing my coworkers, you know, they always giving me movies to go watch that I haven't watched yet, especially Christmas movies. Because me, I'm a sucker for romance movies and Christmas movies and Hallmark movies and like just really nice movies. So them just give me a couple. So and then what I do is I would like go back and like say, you know, I watch it and da, 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 da. Nice vibes. So that's what I'm gonna do and see how they are and prep for tomorrow. And yeah, so that I'm gonna do. All right, guys. So today is Friday. It is 7:25 p.m. So most of this week, I never did a vlog because I did sick, like sick out. Couldn't talk too much because talking just bring on one whole run of coughing and you know. I'm still recovering, by the way. So if you hear my cough in the video, I'm sorry.
But I thought I would do a little gift unboxing and wrapping with you guys. So today was the last day of school before the Christmas break, and got gifts from kids. It's really the parents, but under the kids' name, and teachers and the school principal, the gift committee. I don't know. Anyways, so I have the gifts here with me. I'll tear out the bag them already, but there's this gift. There is this gift. There is this gift. There is this gift. I feel like there was another gift. Come up with it. Why? Come on, spinning around. And there is this. So starting with this because it's like it come on its own. I hit. Yes. So this is from one of my students, and it's just saying Merry Christmas and stuff like that. And guys, it's a Tim Hortons gift card. Like, that's nice because I do like Tim Hortons, and I mean I don't shop there. I don't go there on a regular basis, but I like my Tim Hortons every now and then. So this is definitely a way to get me to go there a little bit more often. Love the gift. Love the gift. I love gifts to my guys. Like, yes. This one, because it's already opened. This was given to me by one of my coworkers. Like, me and her share the same birthday, guys. So she's like one of my favorite coworkers, and she gave me this for Christmas. This is a box of chocolates because I love chocolates. So this is nice. Love it. I'm gonna enjoy it. Okay. Then there is this gift. Student. So another, oh my goodness, another Tim Hortons gift card, guys. Like, I have a question. Like, if anybody who's from Canada watching my video, what is up? What is up with Canadians and Tim Hortons gift card? Because, like, I realize, like, a lot of people, like, when they're thinking about what to gift people, it's always like a Tim Hortons gift card. Like, not even a Starbucks gift card or any other gift card. It's most times a Tim Hortons gift card. Like, what is so, like, I mean, I know Tim Hortons has good coffee, French vanilla and drinks and whatever, and pastries, but like, but I'm not saying that I'm ungrateful, so don't get me wrong. No, I do like it, but that's a wonder because I hear a lot of people, they're like, oh, I need to get X amount of Tim Hortons gift card to give for gifts. So like, what is what is it about? Like why so many people just resort to that? Yeah. There is, in that bag, there's a pen and a book. This is nice because I was thinking of buying a notebook, but I guess I don't have to anymore. And a nice chocolates. Yeah. So love this gift. Loved it. Next, this gift, and this is from the classroom teacher. Okay, so first thing first, we have here a cactus. Guys, like, me, I am terrible with plants. Like, I got 3 plants from my coworker, and I am struggling to keep those 3 plants alive. Like, every month, like, every now and then throughout the month, me say, shoot, like, every time, or if me draw the window curtain and see them, I'm like, oh, girl, I forget to water the plant them. And it's like on the verge of dying, and then I bring it back to life, and then on the verge, and then bring, me not good at it. So getting a cactus is awesome. She did explain that it's a cactus that blooms flower, I think once a year. So, which is awesome. But I don't need to water it more than once for the month, and it can go 6 months without fertilization, without fertilizer. So yeah, I'm happy because girl cannot like keep a plant long. Like, I don't have a green thumbs. I do not have a green thumb. And then in here is just a like a note. Just saying how amazing I am. And then there is this. So this, guys, is the story of the cactus. It's funny. The story of the cactus and cactus tips and how to care for it in the event something happens. And then on top of that, there is more chocolate, guys. Like, me love chocolates. I'm always like to try new chocolates. So this is some type of jam. You know, she mentioned it, that there's a jam in it, and she said the name, but I don't remember the name. Hold on, let me see something. Boy, I'm a weak man. Oh, I need some colors. Guys, if you never know me, like I said. Anyways, I'm too weak to open this. Like, me cannot open it, and me not force myself, but jam. And I'm excited to taste it. It seems very healthy. Me can't smell nothing. Yeah, so that is that for this gift. And then on to the final gift, which is from the school principal and vice principal. So it's like a nice card. And again, how amazing I am. And so I'm just gonna unwrap this part now. And like, I'm actually the absolute worst at unwrapping gifts. So yeah, because it's like, I don't know if I want to like tear it apart or whatever, but for this video I'm just gonna tear it apart because I'm out of time. So Kit Kat. Like, me love chocolate. So chocolate's number 1, chocolate number 2, chocolate number 3. I'm pretty sure there's another chocolate, wasn't there not? Oh. Chocolate number 4. Like, me full of chocolate for this Christmas holiday because I'll be on break for 2 weeks. So I am very much excited. And me full of chocolate now. I have things that I could snack on. So that is it for all the gifts that I get. I am very much grateful. I am very happy. First Christmas at the school, and so, you know, yeah, so I'm really excited, and it was fun. It was a great last day. Like, oh man, that's right, yeah. It was a great last day. I really enjoyed myself. I mean, it was kind of hectic, to be honest, but it was still fun. And we did lots of fun stuff, and yeah, yes, so that is it for tonight. What am I gonna do for the rest of the night? Today is a Friday night. For the rest of the nights, I will be filling out a paperwork for work, and then I'll be watching some movies because my holiday officially started from 2:55 today. So yes, sir. So I'm gonna watch some Christmas movies and have my eggnog. So that's what I'll be doing tonight until I drop asleep. So yes. By the way, do you guys like my nails? Like, But anyways, guys, so that is it for this video. Not for this video, for today. I'll probably vlog so much. No, it's not. Guys, I haven't had anything planned out yet. So, probably, I don't know. But I may say, yeah, probably vlog tomorrow. I'm gonna just end the vlog tomorrow. That I'm gonna do. And then start another vlog. And of course, because I think I'm gonna do some ice skating and this and that. I want to do that. So that's why it's a thought right now. But yeah, so I'll take you guys along with me, and I might be shipping off some items tomorrow. So I may take you guys along with me so that you guys can also know the process that I use, because I know that shipping, me never know that shipping from Canada to Jamaica is like so expensive, guys, like to $600. Like what? So like I'm just gonna show you guys the routes I took. So yeah, tomorrow. But so stay tuned. All right, so see you guys tomorrow, and love you guys. I'm gonna go. I hope it's not too expensive, because guys, like to ship from here to Jamaica was $600. Was the you know, I think it was DHL, and then with FedEx I think it was like $300 and something. So I'm gonna be shipping this to the States to my cousin, and she's gonna take it to Jamaica. And this is well, when I checked online, it was supposed to be $60 something. So I'm gonna go in store now and see how much I'm gonna charge and whatnot. So yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get there. So guys, I'm here at Staples. I'm gonna do the shipping now. Hopefully all goes well. Hi. How much? So guys, I'm just filling out some information for my data. For okay. Nope. I have no restricted anything, nothing with batteries, exceptional value items, no. Alright, I'm gonna type in my cousin's address. How do I go again? Hold on, guys. Alright, so guys, it come up to $68.94. And it should be shipped by January 4. Alright, so guys, the package officially down up for shipment. It should arrive on January 4, and so yeah guys, it should arrive on January 4, and hopefully it arrive when it say must arrive and intact, because I do have fragile stuff in there. So yeah, but all in all, it was an easy experience. I did the shipping at Staples just right there through FedEx, and it did cost me $68 and some cents, so really cheap compared to what the initial price was to send it to Jamaica. So I did opt in to get like email so that I can track the shipment and get notifications and all them something there as well. No man, too much I go on them driveway, and this what do you call the place you know? Parking lot. Way too much going on. But anyways, that is so guys. I am finally home. It's like 9:41 right now. I did stop by one of my friends' place just to hang out and chill for a bit, but I'm finally home. My face look messy, my hair look messy, like everything is just messy right now. But anyways, this is the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next video. It's like kind of like a continuation. But tomorrow I have to go to church, and apparently I did not get the memo that, well, I don't have to, but I am going to church. But I didn't get the memo that until today that everybody's wearing white tomorrow because it's like New Year's Eve, Christmas Eve. So, but don't have anything white. So guess what? I'm gonna wear what I have. And if I find something white, good. If not, then oh well. But yep, so that is that for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell your mother. Don't forget to tell your mother, your father, your friend, your brother, your sister, everybody. Tell them to come watch and like and subscribe. Drop a comment down below of what video you'd like to see me do next. And stay tuned for the next video that are coming this month. I love you guys so much. Stay safe and peace out.